Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up and use Wi-Fi hotspot on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and you want to set up and use Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for hotspot in more connections, and here you will get the hotspot. Just tap on it. In hotspot, you just have to select Wi-Fi hotspot and you'll get a setting of this type. Just enable it and this way your hotspot will be enabled. Now let's see how can you manage. Here's the hotspot name and here's the hotspot password. You can easily manage your hotspot's name and password which you want, and after that you can easily set up and use hotspot in Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.